Alright, come on, let's go, Vigo. We're gonna do a little rundown of what's going on. I've been working on the toilet flange. Not flange, what you call that? The wax ring. Vigo? Come around. Come on. So, let me turn this radio off. So, bathroom. And so I lifted the toilet. And well, essentially I gotta get rid of the I don't know what you call it. That seat, it's a metal one, old one, and it's just not holding fastened on proper. So I gotta do that before I can add the ring, the wax ring. I got it covered so nothing comes up, just about. And I got some dripping here, so that's not good. Toilet's right over here. Freaking mess. So I gotta go to Home Depot and get that. Add the I forget what it's called. And then add the bolt it, add the ring, and then the toilet, and then that'll be done. So, and I got that leak, that subtle drip. I'd have to bring the toilet back and seal that, or screw it back in, so at least there's no savage leaking. Oh well, look, what do we have here? So what are you doing, Beagle? What's the story? So I have a video out and you should check it out. It's this threshold here. I had to rig the threshold. So that's just about done. I gotta go to Home Depot and get those few things that I need to fix the toilet and get that rubber gasket for the top of that. I had to do a rig. If you want to see what I did, you could check it out. I'll leave a link. So that's my update. Yeah, I'm gonna drag this toilet over and connect this to that, so there's no dripping overnight, and then Home Depot bound, and that'll be it. So yeah, see ya.